All right, this is the new incense holder I got. It's a waterfall style. It comes with not just the incense holder and the furniture protector, but also a pair of tweezers, some stick incense, and a teardrop holder, and a bunch of backflow incense cones that have this special hole drilled in it. That's what allows it to flow into the hole at the top and flow down into the waterfall. Now, it's important to know that any kind of movement around disturbs the smoke. As you can see, the more I talk, the more it disturbs it. So I'm going to be still and quiet for a moment. And that's how that works. Just know that any kind of disturbance, walking around, even somebody else walking around on the other side of the room, can create air currents that will disturb it. So take that with a grain of salt. It is an incense burner. It is supposed to have smoke come out into the room. It is supposed to, be used as an aromatic fragrance for your home. But again, it's kind of cool when it does work the way it's supposed to. You're nice and still. It looks really cool with the smoke coming down the waterfall and pooling down the bottom.